If you've got a phone and 30 minutes per day, then you're 100% able to do this method. Now, this is a zero cost method. You don't need any money to get started. You just need some time every day to maintain this, and you can start earning money within a couple of days. Now, I get it. Some of you are busy. Some of you don't have that kind of time. So what I'm going to do for you guys is at the end of the video, I'll show you a free tool which can automate this process. So instead of working 30 minutes per day, all you have to do is work 1 hour per week. You can get everything done and all set up for the week. Now, because this method doesn't require any upfront investment, what we're going to be doing is making money with affiliate marketing, and we're going to be promoting a very specific product, and I'm going to show you the exact traffic source that you can promote this product to. Now, the product that you're going to be promoting in this method is going to be an air fryer. So what's going to happen is we're going to promote this as an affiliate, meaning we're going to get our unique link to this product, and then when people buy it after clicking on our link, we're going to earn a commission. The commission ranges between 5 and 10%, so if someone buys a $100 air fryer, we're going to get between $5 and $10. Now, if you're not familiar with what an air fryer is, it's been going crazy over the past couple of years and gaining more popularity. It allows you to fry things without essentially covering it with loads of oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Ninja, and I'm going to promote this specific model of an air fryer. Then we're going to go ahead and go to get link and then text in the top left hand corner. And now we've got our unique affiliate link to this Ninja product, which we can go ahead and promote. Now, obviously, for you to do this, you're going to need to sign up as well to the Amazon affiliate program. Go ahead and do that and then follow along with this video. Maybe you already have an account, so in which case this video is going to be easy. So now we've got here our Amazon affiliate link to the Ninja air fryer. And what I'm going to do just to make things easier is open up a notepad. I'm just going to paste in our affiliate link, and I'm also going to go ahead and paste in the name of the product just so we can come back to it easy and have easy access. So there we go. Now we've done that. So now we're moving on to the traffic source. Now the traffic source needs to be something which is free. It needs to be something which can explode our sales in the next couple of days. And it needs to be something which is easy, which doesn't take up a lot of time. And I'm not going to make you record videos or show up on YouTube or show your face or show your voice or speak your voice online. The traffic source that I'm going to show you how you can promote this air fryer with is going to be TikTok. Now, TikTok is blowing up right now, and a lot of people are making huge money on TikTok by creating TikTok theme pages. And what we're going to do is we're going to re-upload air fryer recipes to our TikTok and then send those people to go ahead and buy an air fryer. Now, I've got some examples here of what this actually looks like. So this person here has 19,000 followers, and they only have 4 videos. One of their videos has got 665,000 views. You can see here they're also linking to the Curzo Express air fryer. So whenever someone sees their TikTok and decides to buy an air fryer through their link, they're going to earn a commission. And you can see they're getting mass views to their profile, and a lot of these are going to check out this air fryer. And then here's one more, which is a similar page to what you'll create, and it's just a page called air fryer, and they take different videos from different people and re-upload them. And you can see they range from 20,000 to 8,000 to 45,000 views, and they have 59,000 followers. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and create our TikTok and call it air fryer recipes, something along those lines. So here's my current TikTok. It's not in the air fryer niche, it's just my personal TikTok, which I don't really upload to. But what you would do is you'll go to edit profile, make sure your username is based around recipes and air fryer recipes, and then in the name air fryer, in the bio air fryer recipes. Once you're all set up with your profile and you have no videos, you then need to go ahead and find those videos. To do that, go to TikTok and just search for air fryer recipe. And then that should bring up some accounts here and some videos. Now you can go to top, you can go to accounts, or you can go to videos. Doesn't really matter where you get your videos from. Just choose videos with high views, maybe videos which have already been reposted. So go ahead and go to videos. This one here has 8.9 million views. This one has 8.4 million. And what you need to do is you need to open these videos. And you can see this doesn't even look like it's their video. You can see they've credited the owner here. So this belongs to tower_housewares, and they've reposted it onto their account. Now, how do you exactly repost it and download it? So what you need to do is you need to grab the link to TikTok, then go to Google and just type in TikTok downloader. Now you'll be shown a load of different TikTok downloaders you can use. I use Snaptic, so go ahead and then paste in the link and then click download. This will then download that TikTok to your computer, or if you're on phone, it will download it to your phone. Now, once you've got this video downloaded, you're just going to go ahead and re-upload it to TikTok. Just drag in this video here, and here is your TikTok being uploaded. Now give this a caption. Maybe you want to go ahead and copy the caption which was already there before. Then going back to TikTok, give it the caption. And this is very easy, anyone can do this. You're literally just copy and pasting. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and publish that, and these people which are interested in air fryer recipes might go ahead and then buy an air fryer through your recommendation, and if they do, you're going to earn a commission. Now to real quick get all of this work done within 1 hour and get a week's worth of content, what you want to do is you want to use the scheduling video tool, and by doing this you can schedule your TikToks to go out every single day, and you can mass upload them, so within just 1 hour of work you can get 20 TikToks scheduled. So go ahead and do that, grow your TikTok account promoting air fryer recipes, and link these people to buy an air fryer. If that helped you out, please do let me know in the comment section below, and watch this video here if you do find it helpful.